following the extraordinary rendition of President Duterte to The Hague, I think, like many of our countrymen, we were quite traumatized. In my case, it felt like a repeat of a nightmare that occurred, and I saw only my father being taken to Hawaii. Kaya medyo masama ang loob ko noon at hindi ko na naisip yung kampanya. Pero ang sabi ni Senator Robin, pati ni Vice President, ang sabi nila, ang utos daw ni former President Duterte, umuwi na kayo at mangampanya. Kaya biglang nangampanya at biglaan lang naman yung ad na yun. Naalala namin kasi ako nakatutok sa hearing, nakatutok sa budget, nakatutok sa kung saan-saan. Abay, sabi nga, hey, mangampanya na tayo at biglaan kami nag-taping ng the following day. Strangely, at least to me, the Vice President said that it has to be black. Sabi ko, what kind of political ad is in black? What are we going to do? Why black? Because black is the color of the country today. And I suppose she's right. And as a result, we shot the entire thing dressed in black, which I thought was rather grim, but at the same time, it's entirely appropriate. So that's what happened. Itim, ipaglaban ang tama, itama ang mali.